Paragraph. Visit to a museum. Museum of the Future in Dubai is an extraordinary and unique museum because it looks like a human eye looking at the future. And because it is round, there is not a single corner in the museum. This is an engineering marvel. It is covered with Arabic quotes. This is the only building in the world covered with a language. This is a living museum, which means everything inside of it is present and the future, not the past. And when I entered this museum, I was amazed by its beauty and the tech ideas. It was just so futuristic. Even the elevator was designed like a spaceship, which felt very realistic. On the fifth floor, there was an actual NASA approved design of the space station. On the fourth floor, there was an actual build up rainforest. And on the third floor, they had a DNA library with the DNA of about 2,400 different animal species. Second floor was full of ideas based on the technology of future objects such as robotic dogs, self-driving electronic cars, etc. The bottom floor was like a science park for kids to help them appreciate physics, science and math. My experience of the Museum of Future was shocking, but at the same time, it was acceptable for the future.